guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Vidhi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be shooting this look 5 for the Navratri series, and the theme for this you can see is blue. So I just really had fun creating this look, and it's super easy. It might look a little bit difficult for you to create, but it's super easy and glamorous at the same time. So if you want to know how I get this look, what products I use, then please continue watching. And before then, don't forget to check out the description box because all the products that I used in this video are linked down below. So if you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching. Let's get started. So first things first, my face is completely bare. I have nothing on my face, just a moisturizer. So I'm gonna start with primer. Taking the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer and gonna apply it all of the usual areas on my face, on the forehead and also in the center of my face. Now for serum, I'm taking the Wet n Wild serum and gonna apply it over again because I have a little dry skin type, so I need some kind of hydration to my skin. That's why I'm using this serum. You can use any product that you have for your skin type at your home. I'm gonna massage it all over my face until it gets absorbed. Now straight moving to foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation and I'm gonna dot it all over my face. It's a full coverage foundation and it's really good for the beginners because it's also affordable as well. So I'm gonna blend it all through. Guys, do let me know that if you want this tutorial to be in Hindi or you want me to continue in English, because I know that a lot of people does not understand the language that I speak basically. So just to make it easier for you, I'm thinking of starting my tutorials in Hindi for the people who doesn't understand English. So do let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this and we'll think it forward. Now for concealer, I'm taking the Kryolan Supra palette and I'm taking the shade NB1. It's a really full coverage kind of base concealer, so yes, I like using it because I want kind of brightness in the center of my face, and this is what I like to do. According to me, this is the way that I like it to be. And you can use any concealer that you have on your house. And also I'm gonna just apply it on the center of my face, on the forehead, on the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, on the chin and on my cupid's bow, and also on the hollows of my cheeks as well because I have some kind of darkness going on there, and also on the sides of my forehead. And now I'm gonna quickly blend this through. And guys, we are so close to complete this Navratri series, and after this, please do let me know what you guys want to see on me, what kind of tutorials you like, and also what I like to do I will be offering to you guys as well. So after this, I'm gonna set my face. I'm taking the Fit Me Loose powder and just gonna dunk my blender and start just tapping it underneath my eyes, and whatever is left on my sponge, I'm just gonna take it to all over my face because I want my face to look a little bit set out. Otherwise my foundation, my concealer gonna crease, it's gonna fit into my face lines and it will look really cakey. Now after this, I'm moving towards my eyes. I'm taking the VOV Professional palette and I'm taking this dark blue shade in the corner and start working it on my crease. So over here I literally forget to do my brows, which I'm gonna do later on. You can see this. Till then, please bear and keep on watching the tutorial. So I'm just gonna keep adding the color intensity. And I'm also trying to make an outer V at the corners of my eyes because I really want this look to be a blue ombre kind of look because I'm looking forward to that. I will keep adding the color until I'm happy with the intensity that I want in my colors. and I'm really gonna blend this through. Now I'm taking this a little lighter shade than blue and placing it into the center of my lid. I'm not going too much, but in the center of my lid, just to get the pigment, just to get the variation of colors like ombre, which is going to look really beautiful on the eyes, as you have seen. So I'm gonna really blend both the colors up, and doing same with my other eye as well, a little quicker, just to save some time. And now taking another shade from that blue and placing on the center of my eyes. And now I'm taking this silver shade, silver grey white shade, and just placing onto the inner corners of my eyes and just mixing it with the rest of the colors that I've created, which gonna give me a really nice ombre effect. So yes, I'm gonna just place the pigment all over the lid, whatever area is left on my lid, I'm gonna place that, and I'm gonna follow the same on the other eye. Although these pigments are a little powdery, but they are very very pigmented. So yes, it's a really nice palette to use. I will be leaving the links in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And now I'm going to take a little bit of color and start blending it through with the white one, because I want this color to be a little seamless. And now I'm going to just dust off the excess powder that I have underneath my eyes, because all the powder has been set my face, and now whatever is left on my blush, I'm just going to take all over my face just to set the rest of the face. Now it's time for contouring. I'm taking the Colorbar Flawless Touch Contour and Highlighter palette and start contouring my face. I'm taking really little amount of this one because it's so cool tone, and like in seconds it just get muddy effect. So you have to very careful with this one. It's so pigmented and cool tone that it instantly gonna look muddy if you use a whole lot of products. So you have to be really picky with this one. But if you're a beginner, I would not suggest you to use this because it's really difficult to work with. But if you're a professional, then you can definitely gonna pull through this. And I'm also taking to my forehead as well, just wants that warmed and bronzed look. And now it's time for my nose, so I'm gonna just contour my nose because I really love doing it. It just gives a really different structure to your face when you fix your nose, which is like it was like a miracle that you can't even identify the person if you have a full structured contour face. I'm just taking very tad bit of that product because I already told you that it's so pigmented that it looks muddy in seconds. Now I'm taking my bronzer. It's in a really bad condition, so I couldn't show you. So the bronzer is from Rimmel and the shade I'm using is Sunkissed. It's really good for the Indian skin tone type and especially goes with my skin tone. And I'm taking this and just softening up my contour just to give my face a little bit of color. And out of all this, I had to remember to do my brows, and now I'm taking the Etude House drawing my brows, and I'm gonna brush my brows first. I know it's weird doing your brows after your eye makeup, it's weird, but I still managed to do it. So I'm just gonna keep my brows pretty natural, but I'm gonna keep them a little bit arched because I already have eye makeup going on. That's why I have to be careful for that. And yeah, I'm gonna just fill them up a little bit. I'm not doing very thick brows. I'm keeping it quite natural just to be a little bit filled. because nobody likes thick brows in the Navratri season. And now I'm taking the same blue shade and start working into the lower lash line. I'm using it into the very inner corners of my lower lash line, so that because I want another color placement on the rest of the lower lash band, that's why. And it really makes your eyes look open up when you use any kind of color into the inner corners of your eyes. Now I'm taking a gel liner from Maybelline Eye Studio and taking a thin brush and dunk it into the back side of it and start applying the color. Guys, if you has watery eyes or sensitive eyes, you can use this technique. You can take a thin brush and just dunk it the back side of that brush into the gel liner and start applying it up, as I do, because my eyes started watering if I use any kind of brushes. Now I'm taking the Lotus Botanical liner and start applying it. I'm not a pro at this, but so if I go a little wrong in this, please spare me for that. But if you're a pro at winged liner, do let me know in the comment section below that how you apply your wing liner and what is your trick. Share with me. And now it's the most trickiest part is making the wing. Now I am starting off with mascara, finishing this look up. I'm taking the Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes Mascara, and I really in love with this. You might get to know already if you're watching my previous tutorials. If you haven't, go watch them now. The links are in the description box. I'm just gonna brush my brows lash bands through it, and this is the final look that I came up with. Guys, thank you for watching my tutorial till the end, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And till then, bye bye, take care, happy Navratri.